I won't, thank you.
Speak.
Only in the presence of my lawyer.
Only in the presence of your... Hold on! You're not from the other world.
Yes, my man.
You're some kind of intruder.
Well, nice to meet you. I mean, have fun.
Hold on! No, you're not. You're some kind of sex maniac. You've done something to Vicky. I'm going to come straight downstairs.
Now, it looks like you already got some sardines.
This is blaming not to the police. Hello, police!
I think I'll be running along.
Come back! Hello, police. Someone has broken into my house. Or rather, someone has broken into someone's house. No, but he's a sex maniac. I left a young woman here. What's happened to her? No one knows.
There's a man lurking in the undergrowth.
Sorry, the young woman has reappeared. Are you alright?
Now he will saw me.
He almost saw her. Yes, but he's a burglar as well. He's taken our things.
He's not here.
Oh, the things have come back. So we're just missing a plate of sardines.
You saw these.
And we found the sardines!
It's the police. You want the police here? In my underwear?
So what am I saying? I'm saying, let's say no more about it. I thought something terrible had happened to you.
As I know him.
You know him?
Stop at my office.
He's just an ordinary sex maniac.
As he mustn't see me like this. Just looks and stands in one of written in red.
Well, put something on.
I didn't call anything.
There must be something in the bathroom. Bring the sardines.
Alright, well, you should be downstairs, tied up a bit. I'll give you upstairs a quick going over then.
Bath
That's it, nothing.
I can't go out the road downstairs wearing a bath
The bedroom, then. There must be something in the bedroom.
No, I'm not doing that bedroom again.
I'll look in the bedroom, you look in the other bathroom. Darling! Where are you? Excuse me? I think you've got the dress. Where have you been? Are you going mad? Look at the state I'm in. Darling, honestly. There's something in the attic.
One head golden tabs. Oh my god!
Who are you?
Me? I was, fixing the taps.
Taps? Income tax?
That's right, Governor. In come new taps, I'll go on once.
Tax inspectors everywhere! Darling, I found your dress! It came flying out of the attic at me. Darling, I've got dressed into my head now! Another intruder!
Thanks, Governor. I was just fixing the taps.
Tax! Not the tax on women!
Try anything, Governor, but I think I'll be doing the taps on the bath first.
Sex maniacs everywhere! Where is Vicky? Vicky!
Everywhere. Why not? A tax on women? I know. Put a tax on anything these days.
If I can't find you, you're going to be in trouble, you see.
The WC, you know what? I can go fix that.
Vicky!